Walk into this corral, and I'm going to say that there is no need to pay for priority boarding, because once you're on the other side of the line and you're in the corral, what it happens is people will start weaseling their way up, because you go into a place and it comes to two little doors that open up to the tarmac, becoming like in this funnel device. Only a couple of people can go through the door at a time. And it's not the first people that are necessarily in that area first. It's whoever can weasel their way up. It's sort of like being at the general admission standing room at a concert. If anybody's seen Pearl Jam, you know exactly what I'm talking about. and so it's like that, and you're fending for yourself almost as if you're in a mosh pit. It's fantastic. So April boarded from the front of the plane. I boarded from the rear of the plane. My seat was in the dead center of the plane. Lucky me. It's the thing.